interested in knowing what quails sound like, they sound like frogs. But I can't hear it over the chicken bothering me. What do you guys want? What do you want? I didn't bring you any food. Go eat your regular food. I didn't bring you leftovers. Where's my froggy? Who's making my frog noise? Is that you? Where's my frog noise? Is it you? I see you. Where are you? Where'd you go? They sound like frogs. The Turnix quail. Hen. Sounds like a frog. How come you boys aren't crowing anymore? All right. All right, ladies. Stop following me around. Yeah. It's all wet and rainy here. But the chickens are still out. Hanging out. The ducks are still out. Not in their cute little coop that we made. I'm not going to let them into the stream today because it's a little too, that's too much current. All right, ladies, let me feed these quail.